Back to another live stream. I hope everybody is ready for another awesome day. We have a very interesting day ahead. We have a lot to talk about here, team. Some very, very interesting things have been happening over basically the last day and a half. We have NASDAQ rebalancing. We've seen Tesla earnings. We've seen the market sell off very aggressively. And now we're seeing it bounce back a little this morning. So, I mean, you're going to see a lot of kind of fear, you know what? Fear pouring out there on the internet that, oh my God, it's coming back down. Oh my God. We'll see what happens with Powell next week. I mean, that's kind of the next thing that we could look for. We didn't even, where did we get down to on the SPY yesterday? Where? We didn't even crack below 450, guys. Like, this was not really that big of a deal. On the SPY, it was down 0.66. QQQ was a little bit more. Why? Why was QQQ down a lot more? Well, they do have that special rebalancing period that we are witnessing right now. But again, guys, as you guys are filtering in here as well, make sure that you guys are slapping that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. So the QQQ rebalancing, what they've essentially seen is that, well, a lot of these tech names have gone absolutely nuclear this year. So if you're holding QQQ and the start of this year, you are basically equal and for what the ETF wants, weighted in a lot of these tech names and some other stocks that they want to have in the NASDAQ 100. But what's happened is that you've gotten so overweight on a lot of these tickers because they've gone up so much that you're heavily concentrated in a few tech names. Like, imagine you have a portfolio where it's all 10% allocations. You have 10 tickers. Some of those stocks stay at the same value, but some of them like double. Well, the allocations and the actual like weight in those portfolios is going to be different. Think about my AMD in my long-term portfolio. It's the same thing. It started off as a medium allocation and then went fucking crazy. So that's what they're doing right now. So what they're doing is rebalancing. They're selling off some of those tech names to kind of give them new allocations in the NASDAQ. So you're less concentrated on tech and more concentrated in a couple of these other names in order to diversify some of these portfolios, which, again, I don't have a problem with that. I think that NASDAQ rebalancing is not the worst thing in the world. But when that selling pressure comes in, and this rebalancing happens, well, you're going to see a lot of this volatility, which I think we saw yesterday. I think that's kind of what it was. It's pretty blatant. Like when the NASDAQ's rebalancing and you see all of these tech stocks getting fucking mollywopped, and you see the NASDAQ down what? What was QQQ down in relation to the SPY? What? Look right here. 0.66 the SPY. QQQ was down like over 2.31%. That's a big difference. So I think we saw most of what they were trying to do yesterday. They might try to finalize it today because they know that there's a lot of options expiring today too. If they did it yesterday, or if they waited to do all the selling today, I think they would have really, really fucked a lot of things up. So we'll see. We will see. This kid looks like he knows all the words to every Eminem song. I know a couple, but I feel like most people do, bro. Like, I feel like most people do. QQQ premiums have been juiced a bit too. Mullen to the moon. Mullen's a piece of shit. What are you talking about? Where is Mullen? Mullen's at 14.95. Would you like to know where I told you everybody to be fucking careful and that it was most likely going to tank? Would you like to know? Would you like to know? I'll tell you. I can't even fucking zoom in on this fucking chart. It's that big of a piece of shit. All right, hold on. Let's fucking do some zooming here. I'll tell you. Oh, I'll tell you. It was here. The 6th. Go on my Twitter. I was talking all sorts of nonsense to you guys, and then you guys were like, no, fuck you. It's going up. It's good stuff. Blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens. What do you think the rebalancing impact on VIX could be, if any? I don't think there would be much, just because the VIX is basing its pricing on the S&P's option chain, not QQQ's. If there are some stocks that are in both, then they are the ones that are going to be a little bit extra volatile there. Then you could see a little bit of an impact on VIX. But unless it was like S&P rebalancing, then I don't think you're going to see all that much, you know? Let's see. Again, stop hunting for lottery ticket trades, and you are going to be a lot more, a lot more happy with your current situation. Or you can keep doing it and then just lose your money all the time. Also, guys, we did post that interview yesterday of one of our trade1348.com members. He's 19 years old, making $100,000 in about 13 days. Make sure that you guys are going to watch that interview there, man. It is awesome. And again, those of you guys that still need to, those of you guys that still need to hop in for your first month free. The QR code's not on the screen. Here it is right there. There's a QR code. Scan that. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ. You guys are all good to go. But for those of you guys that are still looking to get into Masterclass, I mean, make sure you do it. I mean, it's the Masterclass prices are only going to continue going up. The value is just going to keep getting better and better and better too. Let's see. Do I have my crystal ball back? No, I just have my logical reasoning cap on. Like when you see a Mullen, which is a piece of shit anyway, ripping like that for no reason, and then you see a bunch of people like going crazy when you know that they're about to get rug pulled, I'm gonna say something, obviously. And then people were asking me about the BBBYQ shit, and I was like, fuck no, I wouldn't go anywhere near that. Look where that fucker is this morning. Down 22% in the pre-market. Okay, like, how many more times do I need to be spot on correct for everybody to be like, oh, yeah, I probably shouldn't do that, you know? But all right, guys, we have about 11 likes away until we hit 50. Thank you very much. Thank you. Tessie little Bob there. What's AI doing? Nothing. This one's interesting to me. Oh, where such and such is going today? I don't know. I mean, again, Tesla. If I knew exactly where Tesla was going today, I'd be a bajillionaire. But we don't. So I think it could easily pop back up, though. I don't really hate upside on Tesla. I don't. Depending on what happens with the Fed meeting going into next week. I mean, I don't hate it. I can take a look at it. I can do a little bit of a look at it. See if we can catch a nice move back up. Which would be fun. Happy Friday, everybody. What are you guys doing for the weekend? Anything fun? Anything fun? Dude, I ran out of coffee and I didn't want to go to the store and get coffee, so I got an energy drink. It feels like the old days. Back in my old shitty college apartment. Ooh. I might have a real cool apartment soon. All right, let's see what we got here. Yeah, we got about 23 minutes to go. SPY's just going, man. SPY's just having a time. Up about 0.5% over here. That's not bad. Is QQQ up this morning? That's what I'm interested to see. What is it doing? Yeah, this thing's up. Yeah, QQQ's rallying back a little there. Did you take your coffee? Yeah, I do. It's just black iced coffee, usually. You're shooting 1, maybe 2 videos. There you go, man. How many zeros is in a bajillion? A lot, bro. Why'd you say bajillion? Like, that just sounds like it's sexual now. Oh, man. All right, let's see what we get here today. Morning, team. What up, Torp? Me too. As the day you were born? Interesting. RXRX? Is that the thing that, NVIDIA was fucking around with? Or no, maybe not. Because I know there was a headline on NVIDIA that was like, oh, it's like this stock. It might have been this one. I don't know. Don't know much about it. I mean, it's a pharmaceutical company, so you could easily see that. No. No. You got this daily jab. This thing just dude, this thing gapped from 7 to what? 680 to what was the open? 1206? Or no, it might have even been up here, bro. I don't know what no. Yeah, absolutely not, bro. BJ Iliad? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? All right, let's see what we got here, team. Yeah, NASDAQ rebalancing is going to get interesting. You're hoping to ride Palantir up today, then jump into AMD to ride it up more. Yeah, that could be interesting. Palantir's been an interesting. I sold my the rest of my contracts yesterday at like 150%, I think it was. That was good. That was a good trade. That was a bounce off the 14s. I sold some over 200%. Those are good. I mean, you're not like what are you gonna give me fucking a bajillion percent on these and then I'm not gonna sell them? That's crazy behavior. Good morning, Vix. What up, Algo? How you doing, buddy? Algo, please don't say anything that I have to then like delete because then I'll accidentally time you out again. If you need to say anything, just text me. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited, man. We're gonna have some fun. All right, man. 5 likes away from 50. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Keep smacking that on the way in. Everybody helps out a whole lot, spreading these videos out to some more people. Because again, I mean, they need help. Like, again, like there was somebody that was just like, oh, so now you're bankruptcy effort. No, I'm just fucking good at this. It's how this works. I mean, you can go back and look at me talking shit about Mullen, all that nonsense. There he is. Bam. You didn't say anything bad. Yeah, but like, am I going to find another Palantir entry then? Well, they expired in August. I mean, I was up a shitload. I mean, I just took them. The interview was good stuff. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'll probably I'll share that a couple more times. Make sure that you guys are watching that one if you haven't already. I mean, he's 19 years old and made $100,000 in 13 days with trade1348.com. What do you want me to tell you at this point? Like, seriously, what do you want me to tell you at this point? You get a free month. Get your asses in there. It's not final yet, but I'm about to commit to a school to play football instead of basketball. Fuck yeah, bro. Logan, can you tell me what school? Can you like let me know? Can I know? That'd be fun. How's your knee, bro? Isn't your knee all fucked up? That's great, Logan. Actually, I want to know this. I want to know your position and what school. But congratulations, dude. That's awesome. Morning SUV just stopping by for a mandatory like before masterclass. There you guys go. There you guys go. Shout out to masterclass. Yeah, Logan, that's great, man. Congrats. Happy fuck around and find out Friday. That's what it is. Let's see. Let's see. Gonna get some coffee before open. Be safe. Smash the like button. Thank you, Algo. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, guys, make sure that you guys have notifications turned on for the channel too. I got a lot of cool videos coming out for you guys next week. The coolest one is the one that I posted yesterday for you guys. Make sure that you guys check that one out. Again, man, I mean, this shit's real. This shit's real, dude. Let's see here. I just got a double like from winning loser. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. Spy, little sharky shark. A little bit of a sharky shark. What's going on with Tessie? Fucking around. AMD pushing a little up 1%. AMD's kind of fucked with me over the last few weeks here. Like, I think this was where this is where I got slapped on it. Right here, this break. You play quarterback? Mid-level D3 school for now. Let you know where I'm playing, where it's final. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. I had the best position in all of football, backup quarterback. But then I played like safety and outside linebacker, so like it didn't really matter. And then, fun fact, I'm like not fast. Like if I did like a race, I'm not fast. Like on a football field, I'll fucking catch you. But like I like broke my thumb sometimes. I would randomly break fingers because I would, it's football. It happens. And I'm also playing against fucking division. Oh, I've never told you guys these stories, bro. Oh yeah. So when I would play outside linebacker or safety, sometimes I would line up against like a Michigan commit, a Notre Dame commit. Like I'm like, bro, what the fuck do you want me to do, coach? I'm a 6'2" white kid that's slow. What do you want me to do? They're just like, figure it out. And I was like, all right, man, we're going to fucking see how this goes. Like, I'm like, how am I, like, what am I supposed to do here? The dude's 6'6" and runs a 4.4. This does not work. Infamous. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Give his port size, 100K in 13 days is sick. You got to watch it. You got to watch the video. I explain everything. Oh, you played D2 QB, Wreck-It Ralph? That's awesome, man. Yeah, so that's when I became, like, really good at, like, remember where the "I fucked your dad" thing came from? That's when I would say it because, like, I couldn't do much else, man. Like, what was I supposed to do? Run around with these fucking kids? Can I tell people Carvana's a dead cat? Well, I mean, it's gonna move. I'm never touching that thing. It's probably a garbage company. It's honestly less garbage than some of the other ones, but still garbage in my opinion. Like, dude, some of the stories I have, I like. There were a couple kids. There was some kid that broke his foot at Michigan when he went there. I don't know if it was like it wasn't Jabril Peppers. It might have been. I don't know though. I played against some fucking units, bro. They were 50K each. So he was up 20% per account. And he had 11 of them. So they were 50K accounts. And he has 11 of them. But yeah, man, that was fun. I almost gave my entire football team mono, which is a wild thing to say. Let's see. That was bad. That was almost really bad. It had to do with like a vape. Like everybody was scared for a while. We were like, shit. They thought I had cancer in high school, and I was like, I hope not, man. That would suck. No, just mono. Because I had no symptoms, but I had a giant fucking neck. And they were like, what is this? Dude, I have a lot of wild stories. Story of how I got it is actually funny. All right, let's see. Ooh, there we go. We got 12 minutes to go here until the ding ding team. I have the levels marked on SPY out loud. For some reason, they're blurry on your trading view today. I don't really have much marked out on the SPY here. Mainly because it's just sitting above 450. So I'm just going to play the momentum quick. I mean, you do have, like, if we look at the 4 hour, it's probably what I would do because we've been moving so much. So you've got this level down here, 451. What is that? 451.50 basically. And then you've got this upside level at 436 something. What is the top here? 436.43. That's what you got on the 4 hour. And then you can go to the 5 minute and just kind of see all of these ones like up in here, up in here, up in here. I mean, you can just kind of tell. There's nothing giant though that's sticking out to me like, oh shit, this is a big level. That's kind of why I don't have a bunch of them up here because there's just nothing that looks like, oh, this is a big one to me right now. You love story time? Story time's fun, man. All right. One time my buddy broke his arm playing football. It was the grossest shit I've ever seen. That was so bad, bro. Nobody wanted to play football anymore. We were like, yeah, can we just like go home now? Morning SB team. What up, Grant? How you doing, buddy? He just ignores me at this point. No, I don't. I read all your messages, Moto. I just fucking like I'm like, all right, man. But Infamous, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. Some Canadian dollars coming in here. Let's see. The interview was great. Love how prop account forces risk management with drawdown. Yeah, guys. Again, make sure that you guys go watch that interview. That's an epic one. It's the most recent video on the channel. Go over there, drop a like, drop a comment, and just give like a nice congratulations to Josue, man. I mean, that's an awesome, awesome, awesome interview. Having our 19-year-old members just absolutely crushing it. I mean, we got a lot of young kids in here that are really changing their lives. Again, I mean, here you guys go. Here's the link here. Everybody gets their first month free with code Danes. Make sure that you guys take advantage of that because we're going to pull that very soon. We've given you guys enough time to do it. Don't get left behind. You watch this guy break his thumb and his bone sticking out of the bottom of his thumb. That's not as bad as what happened to my friend. Just saying. So I'll tell you what happened. So he was playing outside linebacker. The running back's running around. He sticks his arm out to grab him. The running back goes forward, and somebody else comes forward. So his arm ended up in an S. Just that's what happened. It was really bad. It was the worst. We were like, yeah, let's just go home. We're fucking done with this shit. Right, that is worse. Yeah, it was bad. It was like a Kevin Ware type deal. It's gross. Nike, there you go, buddy. And yeah, when you guys are ready to take your trading to the next level, Masterclass is waiting for you. Just go to your subscriptions area on platform or reach out to Diana and Market Talk to upgrade, and she will lead you right in there with us. What up, SCB fam? What up, Chameleon? How you doing, pal? All right, guys, we got 8 minutes to go until the ding ding. Let's make our money, then get the fuck out and go enjoy the weekend. How about that? How about that, man? To be amount of gains that was lost in trade. No, trailing drawdown is like, imagine you have an account that's a certain amount, and it's basically like a trailing stop is how you should think about it. It's a trailing stop loss. But if it hits, you're done. You go bye-bye. All right. I mean, you got these highs up in here. You got this one that you're kind of chilling at, 454.75. And then you got these up here that if you break, I mean, you could get a nice little push up. Who knows, though? Who knows? Let's see what we get today. 7 minutes. Let's see. Been here since January, and I've loved everything about it. There you go, Nike. Yeah, guys. Again, make sure that you guys are hopping in there. Oh, I did. We got a lot more of you affiliates coming in there too. Congratulations to you guys. There you go. There you guys go. Oh my God, you guys are slacking so hard today on the like button. We have over 100 of you guys in here right now that haven't hit it. Slackers, fucking slackers again. Always slacking. Oh, what? I missed that concert? Fuck. Damn it. Damn it. All right. Let's see what we got here. Spy's losing it a little. It's not bad for this thing to cool a little bit into market open and then see what happens then. If it wants to run, I mean, it needed a little cooling. Jack's dad, you know exactly where it is. Trade1348.com, buddy. Let's see. Sorry, always forget. Slackers. All right. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, that's what I want to say. All right, man. Let's have a great day today, huh? What's AMD doing? Tassie looks interesting. Okay. SPY popping off that 13. This thing's coming down. Okay, let's see. Dude, it's finally the weekend. This week felt long, bro. This week felt long. I mean, we had a lot of shit to do, but yeah, this week felt long. Let's see. All right. 4 minutes. Yeah, I don't think I see anything crazy going on. I don't see anything through the news feeds either. Yeah, nothing. I mean, we got upgrades, downgrades, all that nonsense, but I don't really care. Doesn't matter really for me. Apple pre-market pop. How big? Oh, that's a little aggressive. That's a little aggressive. Let's see here, guys. All right, keep smacking that like on the way in. We're 20 away from 100. Oh, it's a Friday. There you guys go. Is Gabe gonna be on? He should be. He's on like every day. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. AMD shark candle. Yeah, it got bought up. That's one of the AMD fucking nonsense candles we see in the pre-market sometimes. SPY slipping into open. Eli, it's Fast Stock News and Walter Bloomberg are the two. What's up with Neo? Is Neo doing something? Neo popping here. There you go. Oh, nope. Just some last minute nonsense before the market wants to get going today. Let's see. That's some slippage, bro. Oh, nope. There it goes back up. Monday 24 bounce. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of stocks that did that. All right. 2 minutes for the ding ding. 2 minutes for the ding ding. Here we go, team. Smack that like on the way in. Let's get after it, dude. Make some more money and then we can fuck off. Adobe looking juicy too. Yeah, I've been out of Adobe since I think last week at some point. It did continue a little higher, which is fine, but it's all right. Can't absolutely nail every single move, every single cent of every move. Yeah, I mean the Netty, the derivatives exposure today and what's expiring is pretty big, but you usually don't see anything that crazy. SPY losing it with 8 seconds to go into open with some selling pressure coming in. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding. The market is open. Here we go, folks. Here we go. Cool. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Okay. Okay. Yeah, slippage on the SPY, right to the 3-minute 200 here. That's where it looks like it's coming to. Yeah, here it comes. Right to that 200. Where's that? 438. Okay. There it is. Oops, no. Cool. 4-hour traffic light on Microsoft. Interesting. Zscaler popping. There we go. That's what we need. There's AI as well. That's helpful. Oh, fuck. Oh, I nailed this. Let's see what SPY wants to do here. Is it going to knife through this 200 or is it going to get bought up here? Let's see that 454 test. Zscaler ripping. There we go. AI couldn't do. Okay, that's chill. SoFi and Neo, interesting. What's SoFi looking like? Nah, SoFi looks kind of shit. I mean, it does look like it wants to move down, but Neo looks interesting here. Yeah, here we go. Let's see what we got here. All right. AI. Whoa, AI got a move there. AI got a big move. There we go. Now, Gable, come on. Don't worry. Don't you worry. All right, guys, I gotta run to the bathroom really quickly. I will be right back. Make sure that you guys hit that like button on the way in. I just gotta run to the bathroom real quick. It was a 2 burrito night last night. Sorry. Hello, team. Also, I did drill SPX there. You can't get filled on DWAC. Why are you playing with shit, bro? Jesus Christ. Oh my lord. Guys, let's be smart now, huh? Let's not be like stupid. How about that, man? How about we be smart? So I played the bounce on SPX here off of the 3-minute 200 back to the 48 there. That was really good. I got scaled out, threw a stop in profit, and then it hit, and I am done. Easy money. Easy money, man. All right, guys, keep you guys are slacking really hard on the like button, and I don't appreciate it. There's well over 100 of you guys in here that have not hit it yet. Make sure that you guys do that. Yeah, I'm up a lot today. That's good. Here comes the SPY. That was a good bounce. That was a really good bounce play off the 3-minute 200 there. That was fun. It was a good little trade there. All right, let's see. They're busy trading. You guys have one job. Yeah, AI ripped there first. That got sharked really hard. Holy fuck. All right. Let's see what we got. Where's Tessie? Tessie, fuck. Where's AMD? Nothing. Nancy? Nothing yet. SPY couldn't hold above 454. That's fine. I mean, I was just looking for a quick scalp there. I think that was like 30%. I don't know. Well, hold on. That was 20. It was 23% on the SPX scale out, so that's good. Z scaler sharking. All right, let's see. Talk about faster than anyone. When you're a streamer, you master the art of quick bathroom breaks. Let's see. I mean, if they give me this test of the 3-minute again, I might. Fucking why not? You can't get filled on a $20 order for DWAC on Robinhood. Who gives a shit? It's DWAC. It's a piece of garbage. Yeah, they did their what do you call it? Their lawsuit again. But I know what you're doing, bro. You're like, oh, squeeze, it's going to 100. Probably not. Like, probably not, bro. Let's see. Not really? Jesus, Daniel. Let's see. It's trying, man. Where's Tessie? Ooh, Tessie dropping down to some levels here. Okay. I'm just going to scout my way to the promised land today. Is that what I'm going to do? I mean, I nailed SPX off open. That was fun. Off that little bounce. Time to drown. Oh, Pepe. That sounds good. NVIDIA death. NVIDIA, same move as Tessie here. Same move as a lot of these things. Wow. AI really tried there and then just got mollywopped. It's just, it wants to go, bro. It's hunted. SPY. What are we looking at? Yeah. This is just indecision right now. I mean, we can throw this on the 1 minute, see if we can kind of catch it early, but it's just hanging on to this 1 minute 200 here. Doesn't look like it's going to hold. They're trying. They are trying, man. In both directions, they're trying. Where's this look on the 5? Yeah, you got the 5-minute 200 sitting right here, too. Let's see. End phase? What's end phase doing? Whoa, end phase. That sucks. That thing got mollywopped. So, okay, so it's trying to hold 453.50. That's effectively what we're looking at here. Okay. 3-minute. Yeah, dude, this is just so flat. It doesn't want anything right now. I would just wait. I'm just waiting for it. Wait for it to confirm a move in either direction and see what happens from there. SoFi's knifing hard, is it? I mean, it's down 2 cents on the day. I wouldn't say that's knifing hard. I just slipped the 3-minute 200 here. All right. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's see what we got. Here's 453.50 again. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. I cucked it there. Damn it. I couldn't get that. I wanted it off the bounce. I couldn't get it. Fuck. Fuck. I wanted that bounce off the 5-minute 200. I couldn't get it. I just couldn't get filled. Are they going to break this? They might break this down. I mean, 453.50 is a key level. 453.39 is kind of the level that you're watching here. Spy's still green. Yeah, here it goes. There she blows. No, bouncing. Dude, they don't want to leave it. They don't want to let that go. They do not want to let that go right now. QQQ had 175% volume increase in the first 10-minute candle compared to the 5-day average. That's a lot. That's a lot there. Let's see what it wants to do here. Is it going to lose this 200 or is it going to bounce hard off of here? Let's see. Let's see. Nah, I might lose this. Yeah, here comes, here comes, here comes. If the buyers were going to step up at any point to save this thing, it would be now. Yeah, there it goes. Where's this? Hold on. All right. Let's see if it comes and retests this 200. Took a quick 30% on SPY. There you go. Yeah, pre-market pump fake. Little bit there, yeah. You do have these this little level in here. Let's see. Let's see. Too easy, one and done again. Faust, there we go, buddy. Attaboy. Attaboy, there you go. That's what I like to see. All right, let's see what we got here. If this knifes through that level there at 452.64, uh-oh, spaghetti-o. All right, let's see. Palantir coming down? That's fine. It needed a cool off. I told you guys it needed a cool off in the video. Yeah, needed one. Look at this, dude. It was so extended. Look at this on the daily. Look at how fucking extended this was. It's just coming down to the 13 on the daily. Relax. Relax. Let's see. All right. Let's see here, guys. All right. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Help spreading these streams out, team. Yeah, everything's just kind of fucking around. Not doing a whole lot. Got your 1%? Good shit, Pepe. All right. Yeah, you're slowly moving down to these levels here. What happened to D? It had to do with some like weird lawsuit that they figured out. Took 15% profit on SPY. Attaboy, Keith. Yeah, here it comes slipping a little more. Let's see. SPY losing it. Let's see. I'm up nicely on some puts again. About 12% on some Monday SPXs. Those are good. Gonna scale out probably. Oh, Jesus Christ, these fucking morons in my live chat. God damn it, people. Stop hunting for fucking lottery tickets. How many times do I have to tell you? What happened with Mullen? What happened with Bed Bath & Beyond? What happens with all of them? They pop and they rug and then you're fucked. Stop. Why do you need me to come in here and be the asshole? It's like I'm dealing with children. Stop. Seriously, guys. Stop being stupid. Facebook? What's up with Facebook? Selling. Selling like everything else. 70% on a put. Way to start the day. There you go. Affirm 28% right off the approach to previous day high. Run it. There you go. Let's see here. Let's see what we get here. All right. Let's see if SPY can break this 1 minute 13 and start moving back to the upside there. If it can, that'd get interesting. Let's see. Like pop up to the 1 minute 24. No, didn't want it. Did not want it. Let's see. My old runner strategy lately, buying into because with 5, cutting for it, 20% gain, leaving a runner. Yeah, it's fun. It's nice that way. It works well. Yeah, that 53 level is going to be tough. I mean, maybe they bring it down to 450 today. That'd get interesting. But I mean, if it's just going to rim here, we'll see what it gets. No, it's coming back up. Let's see. You're going to squirt your port all over ankle. Nice. That's an interesting thing to say, you know? All right. Let's see if we can break this 13 on the 1 minute. Let's see. 453 is the line in the sand here. Tessie cross on the 4 hour. Yeah, that's interesting. Moto's not invited to go golfing. Too many ankles to choose from. Fair enough. Yeah, it's trying, man. It's just getting shot down every time it does it. Sounds weird when I say it. Imagine how weird it sounds when you say it, bro. All right, let's see. It wants it. Let's just see if it gets there. Dude, it's so calm. Like, it's not like this is all just slowness. 2.4% on the port and done. 38 green days in a row. Shout out to Masterclass. Those of you guys that aren't in there yet, don't know what you're doing. Don't know what you're doing. Yeah. I want to see this break above the 13 and go, because if not, it's just going to go boom, death, knife candle. This thing's getting killed. Let's see. This one got killed. Let's see. Well, that's because you probably said some dumb shit, Nature's Barista. You definitely can join Master. There's definitely an option for you. Here comes 453. Nope. Shark. It's trying very hard. It just can't get it. All right, let's see. Okay. This thing we don't even need on the screen anymore. I'm out of that one. Let's see what else. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Where's AMD? It's trying to push here, but it's getting fucked. Yeah, I think 447 is a very interesting thing that we could see. Here comes the SPY lower. Yeah. Let's see. Cool. All right. Yeah, if this breaks here lower, this could get dirty. Yeah, I just got a scale out on my SPX puts. That was good. No, I think we could see 447. I think that's kind of where I'm looking for this thing to go. 447 is kind of where I'm looking for it. Not today, but like off of Powell and shit like that, and then I'll just be patient. Hunt some moves and then just done from there. I don't like this price action, the slow bleed down after the pop in the morning. It's just not for me. Nancy selling. Yeah, up about 17, 20% on my SPX puts. That's good. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. So, BTM, Bitcoin Depot. What? I don't know what that is. No, that's a little bit of buying pressure there. It did pop off that, but I mean, you did kind of come right down to this level and then bounce. But if it loses this, you're watching 451.50 and then 450. Thanks, bye. 3.8% on the day with that swing. Gonna go going my way. Enjoy your weekend, STV. You too, Pepe. You too, buddy. Yeah. Hold on, let me grab my water real quick. It's right over here. All right, let's see. Where's Neo? Selling. Yeah, AMD cruising lower. Where's Tessie? Tessie dying here. All right, let's see. Yeah, I don't really like this price action today all that much. It reminds me of yesterday, just kind of like flashing around nonsense. Yeah, you could get a little move back up here, but it's fucking around. Where's Roblox? Roblox not doing anything. Bro, DWAC's up like 80 something percent. People are going to get hurt so bad by that fucking thing. Oh my God. Where's Rivian? Ooh, where is Rivian? Dying. Wow. It's down that much and it's still at 24. Jesus. Fuck. Fuck. Rivi looks interesting. I wanted to traffic light down, then traffic light up. That's kind of what I want to see on it. 2 for 2 on SPY and Tesla, 31% on the port. Not bad for your 15-minute break. Good shit, buddy. Yeah, that Rivi, I don't hate this, honestly. I wanted to traffic like that down, then up. SPY, nice bounce there. Let's see if it gets to the 13 on the 3-minute. Cool. Rivi, no signs of life. Tessie tried for a second there, but nothing crazy. All right. Playground this weekend? Nah. No playground. Let's see. This has got to be flashing a light on the 4-hour. It's got to be. It's got to be that close. Yeah, I just can't see it, I don't think. No, oh, it's close. Let's see what we get here. Making money on DWAC? Good. Better realize it, because that thing is going to come crashing down at some point. What goes up must come down. Tessie Sharkage. If Tessie breaks this low, because that's complete new lows. That's like big new lows. Yep. Do not let yourself lose that money that you've made, because it will guaranteed come back down at some point. Donald Trump may now speak about DWAC since his case is closed. He has 4 rallies next week. Cool. It's still going to come down at some point. What do you think on DWAC? Break 100? It's at fucking 20-something, you... Oh, my God. I'm going to lose my fucking mind. It's at 24. It's at 24, bro. Are you fucking insane? Seriously. What? I'm going to go... okay, if you think that this is a good way to participate in the market, you deserve to lose every last penny that you have. 72% on shares in the morning off of fucking news. If you're not realizing gains on this and waiting for an additional quadruple, you deserve all the pain that comes with every single stuff. The Mullins, the BBBYQs, you deserve it, because I've told you so many times. Why wouldn't you just make it free? Well, like, seriously, why not just make it free? Take your risk off the table. You already won. You already won. What are you doing, bro? Jesus. I can't with some of you guys. I really just can't. It's insane how like the psychological element of just people in the market just is so bad. So bad, dude. DWAC nosedives as SCV is ranting? Not really. I mean, it sort of does. It's a little cool off. Could it continue up? Yeah, it absolutely could today. Is it going to 100? I highly doubt it. Jesus, bro. And then the problem is too, is that you guys have probably been rug pulled on so many of these other ones, but you're just like, nah, this one will work. Nope. Yeah, everything's starting to catch a little bit of a bit here. AMD bouncing, SPY bouncing. Tessie bounced? Yeah, they did. I mean, what do these look like? Let's see. SPY up to that 3-minute 200 there. Cool. Oh, look. TLT. Fucking around a little. Thanks for recommending the best loser wins. Halfway into it and already checked yourself against it in the mental game of trading. Good. There you go. There you go. If SPY gets this break above the 200 here, that could get real interesting. Infamous. I'm not doing that. Sorry. It's not getting the push. That's Chin Chin and Bumpy ranking all SCDs edgy shill. The funniest thing is that all those idiots that were like, oh my God, why are you so worried about my money? They were right and worried about other people. Like, it's so funny to watch this whole thing play out. Like, still, you're just like, how do you not fucking get it? Tessie trying. Yeah, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in and make sure that you guys are hopping in for your first month to trade1348.com. And getting upgraded to Masterclass, man. I mean, what are you guys doing not in Masterclass yet? Are you kidding me? There goes SPY. Darcy blows. Okay. All right, man. Let's see what we get today. AI looks interesting off the lows. It needs to get above that 13 there at 38.28. Needs a couple more of these pop candles to get going. I know Lori's been looking at this thing now. Lori's been hitting this stock a bunch. Yeah, there goes SPY. There goes AMD. Jesus, there you go. Let's see. Dude, if we get above that 48 there. UPS made you a nice percentage. Thanks, 1348. Curly, there you go, buddy. 75,000% on 16.5 DY calls. Not that I'm in them. Yeah, I mean, those ripped, bro. Those like really ripped. AMD pumping. Where's Tessie? Tessie's trying. There it goes. All right, let's see. Amanda, literally everybody. Everybody thinks that. All right, let's see. AMD, little retest here. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. Back to 453.50. Let's see if this can hold. I mean, that 48 is going to be strong. If it can break above there, that would get real spicy. Slackers on the like button. We do have a couple slackers on the like button here. Here comes the AMD retest. You got to break this level here, this 111.25, to see it really get going. No, here comes SPY a little. It's trying. Let's see. Here's the retest on SPY. AMD needs a floop. I don't know if it's going to get it, though. Whoa there. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, AI is trying to get above that 13 there. If it can, it might shoot up to the 24. I don't know, though. This thing moves like a wild person. SPY, Sharkin, AMD, Sharkin. TLT right at the 5-minute 200 there. That is interesting. Here comes SPY. Here comes AMD a little. If AMD gets back up through these highs, that would be kind of epic. Because AMD has the ability to break out pretty big, but I don't know if it's going to do it today. Like SPY would need to crack this 48. It looks the same. Like, look at this. AMD and SPY are identical. AMD Shark. SPY Shark. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to get it here. Let's see. Let's see. Here it comes back down. Hold on. All right, let's see. Cool. Cool. All right. AMD fucking around. NVIDIA. Ooh, Nancy looks interesting off of this. All right, let's see. Yeah, dude, it's just fucking slow bullshit on a Friday. I don't really see much happening, just chopping around. I want SPY to go all the way down to 447. That's what I want to see. It's right at the it was the 13 on the daily. I don't know what it is now. 448. Okay, so 448 is the new level. It was 447. So 448 is the level that I want to see. Below that, I mean, you've got this prior resistance turning into new support at 444, and then you got 437. So depending on what happens with Powell next week, could get very spicy. DWAC highest option available is 26. Doubt it matters what happens if we were to break above 26. Just no more calls available. Yeah, I mean, you have gamma squeeze happening right now. I think it already broke above 26, didn't it? Didn't it? No, it didn't. It was close though. So yeah, I mean, you would just run. It's just gamma squeeze. You run the chain, and it starts to rip from there. But I mean, again, those people that are coming in here saying it's going to 100, could it? I mean, there's always a possibility of anything happening. But if that's your investment thesis on some weird fucking news that the fraud lawsuit is done, I mean, that's just the dumbest thing I've ever heard. So I mean, you guys can do whatever the fuck you want with your money. Doesn't mean that it's smart. Yeah, I don't know. So guys, all of you in Master, I mean, I'll send you the list of tickers that I'm looking at going into next week, but with Powell next week, I probably won't do that much with the swings. It wouldn't make a lot of sense to do so. Oh, it's TLP. Let's see here. Now, here SPY comes lower. Dude, that thigh gap play, those of you guys in Master, oh my God, that's so perfect. It's the same trade 2 times in a row. Right up, right down. You literally play dark light right up here. Okay, it goes dark right here, you're out, and then right here, you're shorting again. It's nasty, bro. So I can lead you to the water, but I can't make you drink, man. Again, go to your subscriptions area, click Get Master, or reach out to Diana in Market Talk, and she'll help you out. Dude, I'm so hungry. I gotta stop like eating so much because then it makes me more hungry in the morning. Interesting bond movement here. Where's this? Whew, that thing came right back down. Tessie sharking. Jesus, that's big. That's big, dude. That's a big move on Tesla. No, come on. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, you've got 200 EMA at 243. I'd wait for that. This right now, the market that we're seeing is, to me, for swings, patience. It's all patience. 1.3%. I'll take that. Fuck you, Friday. There you go, Chameleon. There you go, buddy. Yeah. I mean, you've got this. This is what you're looking at here, 248, and then all the way down to 243. Where it could kind of settle in and then start to make that move back up. It's just patience, waiting game. All right. Yeah, here it comes again. SPY lower at the lows. Nvidia down $10. Yeah. No, it's down $7, but Tesla prior to earnings, you and I talked about the 254 level. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's got some more room down. So it's just a waiting game, guys. Like, if I'm going to be going for the swings, I'm not going to be just willy-nilly in it all the time. It doesn't make sense to do it. So we'll just wait around for good opportunity again. I mean, I could always go for some downside moves, but going into Powell, it's going to be a little bit iffy. I'd rather just wait for the good setup and then nail it. AMD little bounce, Nancy little bounce. I don't trust any of this really today. Like, these bounces, I don't trust them because they just get sold right into. Bounce sold. Like, I mean, it didn't break the low, which is interesting, but not something I really want to be fucking around with all that much. You were in on that spy poet with tie gap? Nice, dude. He drilled that one. Alerts for Forex. You guys ever talk about it? If no, we don't have Forex alerts right now, but if you put the chart on Forex, you're chilling. You can do it. Then you're good to go. Because like how many Forex pairs should you actually be trading? I mean, it's not many. So you throw the chart up and you have everything. They're good to go. It works on Forex, it works on everything, crypto, futures, everything. From 354. Oh, you fucking top. How'd you? Oh, up here? Oh my god. You nailed that one, bro. Good shit. Let's see. Well, Weeble, you got a black screen on Spy? Well, that's not good. That's not good. Why did I never have Weeble issues, and then you guys do? I'm like always shocked about that because I never have Weeble issues. All right, let's see. Today is just snipe on rejections. Yep. You're a little hype. Fuck yeah, Brooklyn Blaze. That's awesome, dude. We don't really need this anymore. What else do we want to look at? Where are the China stocks today? JD. Oh, JD. There you go. China showing a little bit of strength. Okay, well, not Baba, but JD looks interesting. What's this one looking like now? It's just tight. Like, yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, nothing looks good. So. Tessie catching a little bit of a bid here, but not really. It's not breaking the previous wick here yet. AMD, okay. Oopsies. You're trying to understand liquidity at certain levels. Don't do that. A level's a level, bro. You're trying to solve an unsolvable problem. Don't do that. You could use like Bookmap and look at level 2, but other than that, it's not going to be too helpful for you because those orders can just get taken away like that, and they could just be spoofing. So I wouldn't do that. Just play the momentum. Don't get too fancy with it. When you overcomplicate shit, that's when things get bad. How's Nancy's? I mean, it looks okay, but AMD daily, how's this look? That's the weekly. Don't. Ooh. Weekly doesn't look bad. Daily looks shitty. I'm just like trying to find opportunities, and there just aren't that many. Starbucks, maybe. Yeah, but I like to go with like the growth names that can. Starbucks, interesting today. You're kind of late on it. You kind of late on it. This is, I mean, the what do you call it? The 200 EMA bounce off of this level 2 at 100 was the perfect move. Where's EA today? That was one that was on my list that I just never. It's flat, but this thing was a monster. Look where I was talking about, or look when I was looking at this one. It was right in here. So if you go back down in here, you'll see 4-hour down, 4-hour up. Or it was really close. You get 4-hour up, consolidation, bounce off the 48. Whoop. Let's Nancy. What else is there? I don't see anything. Dude, this is just going to be a waiting game until fucking Powell. It's going to be annoying. Like the next, because we've been on such a wild hot streak with the swings that it's like, all right, well, now it's time to take a step back and wait for what Powell wants to say and then set him up again and just nail the shit out of him. What do we have next? It's Wednesday, right? Next week. Yeah, Powell. Sir, okay, yeah. Next week's big for data. How's Invictus? How are we doing on Invictus? 93% on Invictus. Fuck yeah, bro. Are you kidding me right now? That's fucking insane. Dude, you guys that aren't on platform with us, I don't know what. Jesus, bro. Jesus. That's awesome, dude. Where's Spy? Fucking around. Yeah, I'm going to have to go through all the list of tickers this weekend and see if I like anything. If I do anything next week, it's going to be super small. So, I mean, I'll share them with you, but I'm probably not going to be taking any of them. Post Powell swings, just like we did last time. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I'm looking for. The post Powell swings. I mean, right now, the rate hike probability is like almost 100% for a 25. I'm guessing. Yeah, 99.8% probability of a 25 basis point rate hike. So we're getting 25 next week. We'll see how the market reacts to it and what Powell says about any additional rate hikes, because that's going to move this right here. 83% probability right now that we stay. In November, there is a 66% probability that we stay there. In December, there's that's going up. 60% probability that we stay here. To me, that's bullish, because what Powell has said is no, we're going over here by the end of the year. And this has stepped up. So this was like 40, 50% earlier this week. So that, in my opinion, is a little bit long-term like bullish that we're only going to do one more, but it's going to be confirmed by what Powell says next week. Going back to work, they found your hiding place. See you guys later. Careful on Friday. Yeah. All right, here comes Spy coming back up. Let's see. Tessie tried, then got sharked. Make sure you hit the like. That's all that's asked. Thank you, Chameleon. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, I mean, there's not much happening here. It's just chopping around on a Friday with NASDAQ rebalancing and a fuckload of options expiring. This is not really going to do a whole lot, I don't think. Headed to Texas this weekend to visit your roadster. Ooh, there you go, Wreck-It Ralph. That'll be fun. That'll be cool. It's hot in Texas, though? Yeah, it's going to be hot everywhere. There goes Tessie with a little movement. Let's see. Here comes SPY creep. If it can get above the 3-minute 24, maybe you see the 200. Let's see. Yeah, slow, nothing. Slow, nothing. Actually, here's what we're going to do. Okay. All right, guys. I mean, there's really nothing happening here. We are probably going to be wrapping it up, but here is the link to the video that I posted yesterday, the interview with our 19-year-old member of Trade1348.com making $100,000 in about 13 days. There it is right there. Yeah, we're probably going to wrap it up here. There's really not much going on. Guys, all of you should go watch that video, man. It's awesome to see the amount of success that all of our members are having. Again, team, make sure that you guys are securing your free month. If you're not in there with us yet, use code GAINS, GAINZ. And for those of you guys sitting on the sidelines here, make sure that you hop into Masterclass before those prices go up again. So again, you reach out to Diana in Market Talk or go to subscriptions area on platform from like your settings, and then you guys can do it from right there. But that link is in the live chat there. Oh, I see all you Masterclass people were having fun. Yeah, so the link to that video is in the live chat, guys. Make sure you guys check that out. That's probably going to wrap it up for me today. There's really not much going on. Other than that, team, have a great weekend. Peace.